welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to watch out FAQs on COVID vaccines.
When is the corona vaccine likely to be available? Probably the government will get it by January and the private market by March. Do we all need to take it? Yes, all should take it. Who will get it first? It will be prioritized. First, frontline workers and first responders like paramedical staff, civil servants, police, army, politicians, and their relatives will get it first. People more than 50 years of age and those with diabetes, HT, transplant, and chemotherapy patients will get it next. Then will be healthy adults, teenagers, children, and lost neonates, if at all. How will it be given? Through public and private centers by doctors, dentists, nurses, and trained paramedics. What is the recommended dose and schedule? Two doses given in 21 days or 28 days, apart depending on vaccine used. What if I take only one dose? One dose will give you only partial protection of maybe 60 to 80% and will not last long enough. For complete protection, you must take two doses at recommended intervals. What if I forget to take the second dose? Should I take the first dose again? Just take the second dose at the earliest. No need to repeat the first dose. Or both doses are same? In most of the vaccines, it will be the same dose given twice. However, Sputnik V vaccine has both doses as different vector viruses, so will be marked as dose 1 and 2. Oxford AZ vaccine may also come out with the first dose as half dose. Do you need to take it even if you had corona? After how many days of getting cured? Yes, but that will be the last in the priority list. You can let others take who probably need more than you. You might need it earlier if you did not develop an antibody responses. Can it be administered to an individual who has received plasma as treatment for COVID? The donor plasma contains anti-COVID-19 antibodies and may suppress the immune response to the vaccine as it is. Those who have recovered from COVID-19 may not need the vaccine in the early phases. Can a pregnant lady or a lactating mother take the vaccine? No, company has yet tested the vaccine in pregnancy. CDC has advised against giving the vaccine to pregnant and lactating mothers. UK authorities have advised women not to get pregnant for 2 months after the shot. Since the vaccine available till now are not live vaccines, it should not cause any problem. Can a diabetic patient take the vaccine? Yes, in fact, diabetes has been established as a risk factor for several diseases, and all diabetic patients must get vaccinated on priority.
If offered a choice of vaccines, which one should I take? All vaccines are offering equal efficiency, although local reaction may be different. Take whatever available. Think positive that at least you are being offered a vaccine ahead of others. Indian manufactured vaccines will be more suitable for our population as they are cheaper and can be kept at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The mRNA vaccines require a storing temperature of 70, size Pfizer, and 20, Moderna, which may be difficult to maintain in summer months. How many days after getting vaccine would I develop a protection? Best protection starts 10 days after second dose. Efficiency is around 70 to 90% against all severity and 100% against the hospitalization. Immediate aim is to prevent hospitalization and mortality. How long will be vaccine provide immunity? It's a new virus, new technology vaccine, so we don't know. After follow-ups of these vaccinated populations and their antibodies for a couple of years, we would be wiser. The need for booster and when will they be required will be decided after the follow-ups and mathematical modeling. Children of what age can be vaccinated? Is the dose same as adults or lesser dose to be given? Trials done till now have been for adults above 18 only. Now trials for children above 12 have started. Doses will be decided only after trials are done on younger children and infants. Can it be given to immunocompromised individuals? The mRNA vaccine and inactivated vaccines are safe to A to Z, and Sputnik V adenovirus vector vaccines are also safe as they are non-replicating viral vector vaccines. Live vaccines and replicating viral vector vaccines will have to be avoided. What are the side effects expected? The side effects reported by the trial populations are mostly mild COVID like symptoms like some fever and fatigue, local injection site pain, and induration is also reported. Reports of transverse myelitis and facial palsy have not been found to be related to the vaccine. Generally, all vaccines are safe. Although these vaccines have been made in record time, the testing methodology and procedures have not been compromised. I am allergic to egg. Can I take the vaccine? Egg cell lines are not used for production of these vaccines. They can be taken safely even if you are allergic to egg. I heard that it has a pig or monkey products. I am a pure vegetarian. The new vaccines manufactured these days are devoid of any such products. In the past vaccine have been linked to autism. What about this? In 1985, there was a paper linking MMR with autism. Millions of children followed up after that have conclusively proven that there is no relationship between vaccines and autism. All vaccines are extremely safe with minimal temporary side effect. There are messages going around that mRNA from vaccine gets incorporated into the human genome and alter our genetic structure. Is that true? mRNA vaccine carries a message to a cell to produce spike protein, which induces antibody production. It does what it directed to do. Till date, there have been no adverse events reported. What is the interaction of alcohol and COVID vaccine? Excessive alcohol can reduce the immune response of vaccines. Since Russians are known for heavy drinking, their government has advised to avoid drinking 2 weeks prior to first dose and 6 weeks after the second dose. The Sputnik vaccine is given as two doses 21 days apart. Occasionally, a glass of wine or beer will not interfere with the immune response. Soon the virus will be mutated and we will need another vaccine. Should not we not wait? Till now, the virus has not shown tendency to mutate like the flu virus. Moreover, the vaccines being developed have taken this into consideration and should still work. What if I do not want to take the vaccine? Will it be made mandatory? In majority of countries, it will not be mandatory. You have to choose between the new viral disease with no specific treatment and a new vaccine. Choice is yours. As initially, there will be a huge demand supply gap. By not taking a vaccine, you can help others. If I fall in the category of priority list by being a senior citizen or with a comorbid condition, how do I contact the appropriate vaccination authority? Soon there will be a website and an app, CoWIN, where you will be able to register with your relevant details. What is CoWIN? It is the world's first digital end-to-end vaccine distribution and management system. It includes beneficiary registration, authentication, document verification, session allocation, and reporting and certificate generation. Once the vaccine is available, it will generate a SMS informing the beneficiary. The vaccine center itself will be managed by 5 people and will be given maximum 100 vaccines per day. The vaccine reception has to wait for 30 minutes before leaving the center post vaccination. What are the different types of corona vaccines likely to be available for use in near future? Covishield by Serum Institute of India, Oxford AstraZeneca is a non-replicating viral vector vaccine. These are viruses that have been modified to act as delivery systems that carry the viral antigens to our immune cells. Chimpanzee adenovirus is the vector used to deliver the coronavirus. Antigen in the S2 vaccine and human adenovirus in Sputnik V. Russian vaccine made in India by Reddy Lab. Covaxin by Bharat Biotech India Limited is a whole cell inactivated vaccine. Most of the current vaccines being used in the pediatric immunization are made by this technology. Since these are killed viruses that produce immunity but cannot cause the disease. Pfizer and Moderna vaccines from USA consist of messenger RNA molecules. They carry out the code message which indicates the human cell to be manufactured spike and protein of the coronavirus. These proteins are recognized by our immune system to produce antibodies. Other Indian companies like Biological E, Cadillac Healthcare, and Genova are also in the advanced stage of the vaccine development. Can I roam around without a mask once I am vaccinated? No, not as of now. One may do only when the majority of the population has either got the disease or received the vaccine. This means the population has developed the herd immunity or newer and better COVID vaccines expected in the near future. As of December 2020, more than 250 vaccines are under trial in different phases. A lot of research is underway to develop the newer delivery methods. Also, nasal spray vaccine is probably the most promising. A multi-dose nasal spray delivery device can be very convenient and economical. It will be produce local IgA antibodies and block the viruses at entry level itself. It will reduce nasal colonization and thus prevent the transmission to disease also. Unfortunately, since it will be the live vaccine, it will need maximum and most stringent trials and thus will take longest time to hit the market. COVID 19 is still a new disease and we are still learning. The facts mentioned above are as of this 14 December 2020. Please recheck the facts before taking COVID vaccine shot. No vaccine gives 100% protection. Also, a vaccinated person may not develop the disease but may transit to others. Please continue to wear mask, observe physical distance, and sanitize hands for some more time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like our videos, like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell.